get this alarm clock. Alright, everybody, if you're not the leader, jump back. Me and Matt.
Anchorman.
Apple!
Don't do that.
It's a break roll! It's a Mac! Let's break everything Pastor Anthony owns.
He won't mind.
It's like, this one, dog!
Ryan, step back, put the back.
He would flip out if we broke this or this. Everything on this table.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, found more! TV to TV. Hey, Ryan, you're standing in the way. Sorry.
That's the way
Bowling ball?
to get the screen away from the actual.
Oh, man.
Screen the screen. It's about as bad as knee to knee.
Hey!
I didn't get to break a TV, so I really.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
Wait, what'd you make? Never wait. What's that?
Guys, this is why the robots from Mac and
Monitor on them.
Alright, everybody off the target. I don't want to be responsible for your resurrections.
Drew.
No more.
You're at the table and we're filming.
You're in the camera.
Swing that about it. Swing that about it. He gets the pitch.
Ball.
And it's out of the water.
Hey, hold on, I actually want to throw a bowling ball in here.
Dude, this guy is totally fine.
Up and down.
Guarantee it won't be. A little scratch on it. There's another little scratch. Still works.
That's still usable!
Oh, you're alarming. I respect you.
What is this magical liquid all over this card?
I think it would be the printer ink for the printer icon. I think. I hope not.
Go, and then we're all gonna grab something and throw it down there at the same time, right? Alright, you can get it, show us.
Yeah, back up there.
Alright, you ready? Total perfect form. Shot.
Oh!
Oh. You wanna get it again?
That's a perfect form.
You get too fast. Spin. You get too fast. I gotta have a spin.
I'm just saying, anyway,
You
there's no
videotape when we throw them all?
Yeah, I'm videotaping it.
Are you gonna get in this cage?
Alright.
No, at this rate, no.
That's what's in.
1 second. I'm trying to find an angle.
Oh! That's done.
Throw him!
You wanna finish it?
What's up, guys? Throw him in, boys.
5,
Come on, Ryan, step back. We're not
4. Oh, wait.
back, Ryan, back. That was like one hit. Dude, that's all you need.